In this video, I'll demonstrate that it's possible to reuse assessments, quizzes, or exams that you've built in Paperscorer in subsequent classes. So I have right here a set of assignments, and I've used this one already in one class, and now I'm going to use it in another class. So I've got 3 students who completed this assessment, and I'm going to upload a 4th student who's enrolled in another class. And in this case, this was the class that completed that assessment to begin with, and now I have another class with a student who will also complete that quiz. Okay, so I'll take one step back here just to show that if I want to print out score sheets for an assignment to use in a 2nd, 3rd, 4th class, I do it the same way as I did the first class. Click the 3 vertical dots to the right of the assignment, click Print Sheets. By default, Paperscorer is going to print generic sheets, individual scan sheets. Students will be required to add their identifier, and their identifier is going to show essentially which class they're enrolled in. If I choose an option I like more, which is to print sheets that actually have students' names printed on them, student information will be pre-filled on the testing sheet. Here, Paperscorer is going to ask me, well, which class do you want to print for? I already printed for this class. Now I'm going to print for this class. So I'll click that. I click Generate Scanned Sheets. And then I can click Print Scanned Sheets. And I can print them out and distribute them to my students. Okay, let's say I've already done that and students have completed the assessment. So just like the last time, I click Upload and Score in the left-hand menu. Click Browse Files. Here's the file I want. Go ahead and click that. Click Open. And Paperscorer is going to process that assessment, score sheet, or set of score sheets from students. And I show in other videos, how to do this the first time around. The second time around, it's really a matter of just making sure which class you're looking at when you're looking at scoring. Now, it says that it's finished processing the upload. This is not completely true, and it can lead to a suspicion that things aren't working correctly. You just have to give it more time. So if I go to Assessments, I will see that still only 3 students are listed as having completed the assignment. If I click View Grading, I'll see that it's actually just completed. But there can be a lag where you can go here and you will not see the subsequent scores for the 2nd class. So if I go here, this will still say processing. Just give it more time. Just give it more time. Okay, so if I go to grading, I'm going to see all of the students who've ever completed this assignment. I have 3 students who completed it in another class in the past, and this one just completed it recently and is uploaded. Let's go to Filters and Filter by Class. Now, it's going to give me 2 options here because I have very similarly named classes. But if I click this class right here and click Filter, now it's only going to show me what I've uploaded this morning. In this case, only 1 student, but I would have more. If I had more students, they'd be listed here. So I can filter by class, and I can also download my students' scores as well to work with them in Microsoft Excel.